cooking!
Hello everyone and welcome to Super Seren's cooking show. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. Did you know that the person who invented chocolate chip cookies was called Ruth Wakefield, and she did it in the 1930s, and they soon became the most popular cookie in America? I'm a little bit busy today, so I'm going to ask Sloth to show you for me. Now I've got the recipe all written out. Do you think you can follow it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I think so, yes.
Okay, I trust you. See you later!
Bye! Hello and welcome to Super Sloth's cooking show. Right, so today we're making chocolate chip cookies. For this you will need, let me look at my list, 120 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar, 1 medium egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 180 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 150 grams of dark chocolate. Right, let's get to it. So, what I've got is some eggs, some tomato ketchup, some flour, some chili flakes, some chocolate, a big spoon, some sugar, some Coke, and a little bit of mushroom. So now, all we need to do is just mix them all up. Oh, but I don't have a bowl. Oh, this one will do. Ooh, yes. Oops. Okay, so we've got our chili flakes, our chocolate, our mushroom, sugar, our flour, our tomato ketchup. Now I'm going to add some Coke. Yep, that looks about right. And then next the egg. Yep. Now mix it up. It's looking good. Mmm, tasty. Oh, missed a bit. Right, now it looks ready to put in the oven. Right, now just pop it in the oven like that. And leave for about 12 minutes. But what shall we do while we wait? You could play the piano. You could read a good book. You could count your pennies. 1, 2, 17, 16, 25, £1.50. I'm rich.
Sloth, what happened in the kitchen?
Oops, oh dear, I think I'm in trouble.
Well, what do you call this?
Chocolate chip cookies?
Never mind, I made some earlier just in case.
Oh yay, cookies!